Yeah, none of this looks too safe to me.
Exactly. Just on the guy in the high risk position.
You're the guy in the what position?
High risk.
Oh yeah, it's about time.
Really brave, or
Usually you're just the guy standing around telling everybody what to do.
Thought we'd change it up a little bit today.
Yeah, there you go.
Be a man, take a risk, get killed.
Take a risk, drop some bolts on your head.
Right. Probably that little ball being hammer underneath the back door of the pickup.
Yeah.
Where?
In the passenger, driver's back door.
There's like a 25-ounce ball beater in there. So, you're gonna be here, eh?
Yeah, it is, yeah.
The gasket for the one drive pump. Hammer time.
Sounded like it came off.
You betcha, man. Okay,
done?
Yep. We're officially doing this. That was the turning point right there as to whether I could get those out. Get my half-inch impact or no. On the other side, I struggled a bit, but I got it. Okay,
Is that half or 3/4?
that's half.
Oh,
I
there
got
you
an
go.
adapter on it though, right? Okay, this is where we need the 1 inch. I got one out with this one, but I didn't figure we said struggling if we're bringing the 1 inch anyway.
Yep, you got it.
Got 3 more to go there. I'm going to put this back in my pickup.
It's way more fun working on stuff in the dark and cold. Adds a whole another element of enjoyment.
At least the bugs aren't bad.
No, that's true. That's true. If there's bugs out right now, I don't want to see them. I put the battery over here. Yeah, the big battery's right there if you need another one. You want me to run that?
Sure. Help it set up or something there.
Okay.
That. Right here. That's what I put this adapter back on. Taking these guys off.
Yeah, exactly. Oh, really putting this up here so I can't see what size the sockets are. Let's try this here.
Hey, let's press the wrench. Hopefully it'll open up wide enough to go on that
That's
big
engine
nut
board.
for hard bar. Oh yeah,
Okay,
easy.
try that one.
Easy. Too small.
Too small? It's working on the dark thing.
That's it.
That's the one?
Go on, baby.
All right.
Headlight on here. We're doing it.
Rock and roll.
Killing it.
Yep.
We're using this bad boy.
Yeah, you betcha.
Killing it. Can you say that? Or is it offensive? Kill this. How far better we had a battery on it, though, eh?
Oh, it'll work better, yeah. Much.
This has been my findings. Let's get the snow on the connections here. Pins all cleaned out here. Snow
gets electrocuted, we'll know why.
I had it coming.
Which one to do first?
Nope.
Preferably the ones that are still tight.
Yeah.
Fell off of there, didn't they?
Oh, maybe the one I need, the one you have.
Yeah, inch and 5/16. Is that the one you need? Or be it for me to tell you what to do, but usually works better if you put the socket on the nut.
Either or, yeah, that's definitely.
I don't claim to be a professional or anything, but I saw one on TV once, and that's how he did it.
You on there?
Yep, you bet. Just like butter.
Like that.
It works way better when it's minus 40 out and everything comes apart just lickety split. Don't even have to try.
Okay.
Takes all the fun out of it.
There's a 4-pound hammer in the excavator there. We'll grab that and push that bolt out. Okay. Either I would spin it up from the other end too. Though.
Yeah, give her.
Yeah, 4-pound hammers on the floor. Let's see if I can turn that other one can't get on it. Oop. Come on. Don't be like that. Loosen it up anyway. Put
Yeah.
it back on a hill hammer.
You betcha.
You know what? We're doing this in the dark, right? Another our cat.
Hang on a second, hang on.
Probably help too if I lifted it up with a hole, took the weight off. It's just sitting on the hard bar, right? And the hard bar's pushing up on it. See what happens here.
It's going. Anyway,
I don't think they make swivels for 1-inch impact.
maybe not.
I think that's what we should do is back up and then hook on with a hole, lift it up. Because right now I think the hard bar's all the way up on the far side and it's all the way down on the hard bar right here, right? So if we pick this up,
Okay.
probably just pull it up by hand. Okay? Just saying. Never been around this kind of stuff before, I'm just saying.
Yeah. I'm just gonna put those there, right there.
Okay. Okay, you got your cap. Yep. I'll just pick that up a little bit.
You want to leave it hooked to both roller stands or just hook it on
Maybe
one?
just the one, if that chain's big enough to just hook in the eye on the bucket.
Yeah.
We'll just pick just on the one, just take the thing out.
Okay.
Okay.
Give it a shot.
I'll back my pickup up here too.